Realtor Salima here with Royal LePage Terrapity. Welcome to my newest listing that's going to be hitting the market very soon. I have got this bright upper unit, 3-story stacked townhouse situated in North Liberty Village. This one is going to be hitting the market in about a week, so if you guys know anybody, give me a call. Message me, call me, any questions you have, I can arrange for a private showing. So this property is going to be hitting the market in a few days. I'd love to give you a sneak peek now, but you're going to have to wait. Give me a call, let's get you through.